today I have got an exciting video and I have got another Asos beauty box to unbox for you guys. This is a fragrance edit box, so I couldn't resist not getting it. As you guys know, I love a fragrance box, love anything like that. And yeah, this costs £25 and you're getting a few little mini fragrances. So I think this is pre-order at the minute, or if you've got an Asos membership, you can order this now. I'll have it linked down below for you guys, and anyways, but it is coming out within the next few days. If you're not an Asos member, it costs nothing for the Asos membership or anything like that. I just don't know whether you have to spend a certain amount for that. But anyways, we've got the fragrances here and I'm very excited about it. So the first one we've got is the Billie Eilish one. This seems to be quite a common one. Mind my skin on my hands, I'm so sorry, they're so sore as per usual. And this is the Eilish number 2 and the number 1, I'm assuming. And that is it there. So I've had that a few times, to be honest. Then we've got something I've never had. It's got condensation off it because it was left like off the postman. We have got the 019 Miel Bebe de Perfume 30ml. I've never heard of this. Have you heard of this? I don't know. It's a vegan fragrance. Let's have a spray. Oh, that is really nice. I'm gonna have a look at that. I've never ever heard of that. Does it say anything on this little card about this? Inspired by a walk through a blooming garden, this refreshing scent is grounded by notes of praline, finished with a smattering of honey blossom, sweet sharp, truly unique. This is the perfect way to refresh your everyday fragrance. That is lovely. That is am I reading the right one? Yes, that is absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely, that's like right up my street. Then we have got the Kylie fragrance in vanilla. It's just a little mini like sample one of that. We have got the Floral Street in Sunflower Pop, and it is a 10ml size. I love this size of fragrances because I feel like they are just like the perfect size for your bag, for work or something like that. We have a cat. I'm filming in my kitchen, by the way, because my bedroom is upside down and I'm at work tonight. So yeah, I'm not worrying about my bedroom when I'm going to sleep in it soon. Let's see, so 10ml. Maybe I've made a mistake by filming in the kitchen. Right, let's have a smell of this. I have some Floral Streets I'm not the biggest fan of, and some I'm not. I am. I'm not so sure on that one. It's nice. I feel like I could definitely wear that in the summer, you know, when I wanted to be fresh. Yes, the angle may be different. I got a phone call. Got the Marc Jacobs mini. This is a little mini of Marc Jacobs Daisy. You get this quite a lot, to be honest. It's a 4ml size. I already own a mini of this, probably from one of these boxes. So cute though. Lovely little thing to have on your like dressing table or wherever you store your fragrances and vice versa. One we've never gotten before, and this is new. Well, not new, like a new fragrance. I don't know if it's a new fragrance. I'm not up there with the fragrances these days. It's one that's new to me. This is the Coach Gold perfume. It's 4.5ml size, and it is actually a mini of the bottle, which I love it when they're like that. So this is it. Yeah, how cute is that? I love little Coach fragrances and stuff. Oh, it's got one of them plastic stoppers in, which I can never get out. Yeah, I'll not be able to get that, so I can't really tell you what I think of the fragrance. But that is it there. It would hurt my skin too much trying to get that. I'll have to get tweezers. But so cute. And for £25, you can't complain, can you? So what we got in this box, we got the Coach Gold 4.5ml. We got the Daisy's Marc Jacobs 4ml. We got a little sample of the Kylie Vanilla. We got the 019 Miel Bebe. This is beautiful. That's definitely something I'm going to keep for myself. We got the Billie Eilish one. I normally put this away as a stocking filler for someone. And then we've got the Floral Street Sunflower Pop 10ml as well. And that is what we got in that box. I think that's so good. I'm really, really happy with it. And yeah, that is what we got in that ASOS beauty box. So I'm not going to complain about that. I think it's good. I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!